Going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down the hot trending stocks using technical analysis to put you at advantage at the market. All right, so the stock that we're diving into today is Gamestop, or ticker symbol GME. I'm always going to keep it 100 with you guys. I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys we're going to the moon. Or that type of BS, or even
money printer go.
So I'm always just going to keep it 100 with you guys. So let's go ahead and dive into the technicals. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to start from a higher time frame and then work our way down to a smaller time frame. So why we do this starting at a higher time frame is that way we can see the overall picture and direction that we're in. So right now I am on the daily time frame. We can see we are clearly in a downtrend. This candlestick represents today. This is currently where we're at, and we did gap down, creating lower lows. So that's never really a good sign. It's trying to form a hammer candlestick. That kind of just shows that buyers are stepping up, but we don't really have that. So right now it's kind of like a doji bar. So it's basically buyers and sellers are both kind of stepping up. So let me get my handy dandy tool out. We can then find our support line, which is right here. And let me change the color so you guys can see that better. All right, so we have our candlestick here, literally right on top of our support. We look left, we have a candlestick peekabooing through here. We have another candlestick on the opposite side working as resistance. Keep moving to our left. This is kind of in the general area. But we would like to see that a little bit closer to actually count that as one. But so far we have 3, and that's usually generally all you need is to test a general area 3 times. But if we keep looking to our left, we have this huge candlestick here that when the last time it hit this area, look what it did. It bounced all the way up over here to 404 and then pulled back down in the same area as our line is at. So what this line represents on the opposite side down here, any type of candlestick that comes in this area will work as a resistance. So that's why we put our line here to kind of like set a border, you know. So since the candlestick is technically above this this line that we have, if you can see closely right here, this candlestick is actually still above. We're right there. I mean, we're really close from dropping below that, and that's not really a good sign. And again, guys, you know, don't take this personally. If you're bag holding and you want to just hang on to that, and I'm over here trying to explain to you what direction it's going, don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me and post you know, your anger on my comments. So if you're bag holding, you know, I wish the best of luck to you guys, but let's just continue on. So as of right now, we have this candlestick, and I apologize. I think they're doing construction outside, so if you guys can hear that, I apologize. But yeah, so our candlestick's above here. What we're going to want to see is this to bounce off our support, right? Come up and hit our previous highest point, which, you know, our tested area would be around the 270, 275. So we're going to put a we're going to put our horizontal line there. So now that we have our support and resistance, we change the color of this so you guys can see it better. Now we can see the support and resistance. This helps us to read and understand the chart better, and you know, puts us at an advantage at the market. So personally, if I were to get into this trade, I would put my entry right above 214 or 215 area, and then obviously your stop loss below these tested candlesticks, so it'd be around the $160 area. But I personally, this is if you're going to try to do a scalp trade, even though we are on the daily time frame, you guys could, you know, if it the next day you find a buy opportunity, you just break down to the 30-minute. Trying to click it. See how once I'm on the 30-minute, you can kind of see individual candlesticks. So that's why you get different views of the chart as you break down. So you would not be able to see this on the daily, but on the 30-minute, you can see almost a buy opportunity. So actually yeah, we're actually below this line technically right now on the 30-minute. So yeah, you would want to see this break out first above our support area, come up, and then maybe come back down and retest our support level, and then from there, get an entry, then ride to the next highest point, which was our $275 area. I had to put some music on because the construction was going crazy outside. Okay, so as a core trade, I would technically buy this and set my target to the, like I said, the $270, $275 area, which is our previous highest point. So that way you can get in and get out and then wait for either a pullback or for it to retest our support level and then find another entry. If you're going to do this as a long-term hold, I personally would not recommend. That's just my bias. I could talk about it all day on why. Other than that, there's not really much more to go based off of as of right now. We are in midday. It is Tuesday, and the market is open, obviously. But if you were going to do that, just make sure you guys have stop loss. Put your stop loss below. If you're doing a swing trade, so you're going to hold it for a couple weeks, probably in the $169, $170 area. So now that you have your entry and your target and your stop loss, you'd be all good to go. But other than that, guys, if you guys like these videos that I make, like breaking them down and showing the technicals of things, please like this and subscribe. I'm going to try to make videos every day for you guys so you guys can have advantages on markets and on the stock market. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a beautiful day.